Okay, just a really quick video to show you how to log into your BrainPop videos so that you could watch them off of your Google Classroom. The first thing you need to do, we're going to go ahead and start on our Launchpad, and I'm using Angel's site as an example. So you're going to go to your library resources. Everybody should have a tile named library resources. You click on that, then you would choose your BrainPop Junior videos. You're going to click it, open it, but it won't take you to the videos you need to use. So you're just going to leave it open, and then you're going to come back to your apps right here, NEISD app tab. Go ahead and close it back up to the Launchpad and go into your Google tile where you would select your Google Classroom to view. Now, I'm going to go ahead and switch it so you could see what students would see, because I think it'll come up with mine. I'm going to go into Angels just because I'm using him as an example, but you will see two classrooms. You should see Miss Garza's classroom, your general ed class, and then you should see your third grade resource classroom. I don't have any BrainPop Junior videos, so you won't need to do this with mine, but if you're doing any of the lessons in Miss Garza's, you will need this. So you would click on Miss Garza, go into classwork, and I know that she has some BrainPop videos right here under reading or in science and social studies, but I'm going to open this first one. It's on context clues. You'll just click on the assignment. The brain pump video would link will be right there. You'll click on it, and since you've already opened it, it'll take you exactly where you need to be, to the video that you need to watch on context clues or volcanoes or whatever the situation may be. You'll click play, and then you could listen to it at that point. Okay, so again, you need to open BrainPop Junior first in your Launchpad and then go into your Google Classroom to open it. Give me a call if you have any questions. Hope you guys are doing great. Miss you guys.